nature's recycling of nutrients by one of the dung beetles at the Meerkat Magic Conservation Project in the Meerkat Magic Valley Reserve. It's very important not just to walk over any area of the reserve or to drive over areas, but to stick to existing animal trails. There are many creatures that can be damaged or killed if people do not take this into account. And this is a brood ball, so what it will do is it will lay its eggs inside this dung and give its offspring a head start with lots of nutritious food for them when they hatch out. It's quite interesting. The head of the dung beetle is used almost as a shovel to lift up the dung, and then it uses its back legs to roll the dung into a ball, and then it will roll it until it finds a suitable spot, and in this case it will actually make a little hole and then bury the dung. Finding dung beetles in an area is a very good sign of a healthy ecosystem, and of course they help maintain the nutrient levels in the soil, because a lot of this dung will actually go back into the soil before being eaten by the dung beetle's young. And quite often these brood balls, as they're getting rolled, will pick up seeds, various types, which will then also have a better chance of germinating with the compost that they receive, and they'll be buried by the dung beetle, giving them a head start when the next rainfall occurs.